Okay, so let's see if we can get this thing rolling here. I'm going to turn it a little bit like this, and then we'll come back over here and we'll see if we can get her to go. All right, so if you look at the controls, to go up, I press this up, it goes up. I pull this down, it goes down. For me to make it go to the left, I turn it like this, and it'll spin right around in a circle. It'll come all the way back to where I wanted it. Now if I want to go right, I can do the same thing. It goes all the way around in a circle. Let's go a little farther. All right, there we are. All right, now on this side, if I want to go forward, I press this. It goes forward. I want to come backwards, I pull it back. If I want to go to the right side, I push it this way. And that's the right side to where the gimbal's facing. Left side this way. Right, left. Forward, back. All right, now, let's say I go a little bit farther forward. Now, if I rotate this around, I want to show you the difference. Now, when I go forward, it's going to go this direction. Watch. Now, when I go backwards, it's going to go this direction. You see that? Because it's always forward, pushing this forward is always going wherever that the camera's facing. So if I keep going around in a circle so the camera faces a different direction, it's facing this way. If I push forward, it goes forward. If I push back, it goes back. Now, this is interesting. So it's facing the opposite direction. If I go to the right, it's going to go to the right of where it's facing. So it's going to come towards me. And if I go to the left, it's going to go to the right, my right. So when it's facing me, it goes to, when I push left, it goes to my right. So it's opposite. You follow me? See how it does that? Now let's go all the way back around. And now we're facing forward again. And now we're going the regular way. Bam. And that's that. That's how it works. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use your DJI Mini Drone 2.